Welcome to our channel. Adding a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation is simple whether you're booking or after purchase. Follow these steps to ensure your luggage is properly registered. Step 1. Visit the American Airlines website or open their mobile app and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips or Manage Reservations and enter your confirmation number and last name to access your booking. Step 3. Select the flight you want to add a checked bag to if you have multiple trips booked. Step 4. Look for the Bags or Add Bags option in your trip details page and click on it. Step 5. Choose how many checked bags you want to add. Remember that fees vary based on your route and fare class. Step 6. Review the baggage fees that will be charged. Adding bags online is typically cheaper than at the airport. Step 7. Enter your payment information to purchase the checked bag allowance. Step 8. Save or print your updated boarding pass that now includes your checked baggage information and present it at the airport check-in counter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.